Deebot, start cleaning.
Hey everyone, it's Philip with iRobot. We're back again. This time we're going to learn everything there is to learn about this guy. This is the Roomba S9. This robot is awesome for anyone that wants total control of their Roomba. You can tell it where and when to go clean in your home, and it's got the strongest and deepest clean yet. So, enough chit chat. Let's see what this Roomba can do.
The Roomba S9 doesn't just look great, it performs great too. And with perfect edge technology, you know, the shape of this robot is optimized by the advanced technology in it. We've got advanced sensors that are going to constantly scan ahead of the robot, detect where your walls are, and help the robot clean close to them and alongside them, as opposed to constantly running into them. And with a maximized edge design and a specially angled corner brush, you know that your Roomba S9 is going to reach deep into the corners and crevices where that pesky dirt's going to try to hide. No dirt's safe when Roomba's on duty. And with a superior 3-stage cleaning system, know that your Roomba S9 is going to provide the deepest and strongest clean yet. With dual multi-surface rubber brushes that are now 30% wider than other Roomba brushes, means more cleaning with every pass to work together to get the floors more thoroughly clean. One brush is going to loosen and agitate the dirt, while the other moves in the opposite direction to extract and pull it in. Set of bristles that bend and, can miss a lot of dirt. Our unique, flexible rubber brushes hug any floor surface you may have in your home. And with a specially designed corner brush at a 26-degree angle using 5 30mm brushes, it's going to clean deep into the corners and along the wall edges. And with a powerlifting suction, know that your Roomba S9 can deliver 40 times the air power compared to 600 series robots, for improved pickup performance and cleaner floors. And with a power boost, know that your Roomba S9 is going to automatically maximize suction on carpet, pulling in dirt and debris from deep within the fibers with that extra vacuuming power. With imprint link technology, know that you can come home from work every day to not only vacuum floors, but those shiny mopped ones as well. You can do this by going into the iRobot Home app, tell your Roomba S9 to clean wherever you want, whenever you want, and then when it's done, it's going to go tell the BravoJet M6, it's your turn. How awesome is that? Come home to clean floors every day of the week. And with iAdapt 3.0 navigation, know that your Roomba S9 can thoroughly clean an entire level of your home while navigating it systematically, or in those clean rows that we like to see. It'll capture over 230,000 data points per second, which is going to allow the robot to create a detailed map of its surroundings so that it always knows where it is, where it's been, and where it is yet to clean. And know with Imprint Smart Mapping, your Roomba S9 is going to know your kitchen from your living room, allowing you to control which rooms are clean and when you want them to be cleaned. The robot can remember multiple floor plans, and it learns, maps, and adapts to the home, determining the best way to clean each room each time it goes out.